Hey Steve, how's it going?
Good. Product.
Awesome. What is this?
Brightsource LED headlight bulb upgrade.
What's so great about this kit, Steve?
Well, you were asking the other day about a headlight bulb upgrade, and there's a few different options we can do. We
Right.
can replace your headlight bulbs with stock headlight bulbs.
Mm-hmm.
We can put a brighter LED headlight bulb upgrade in.
Right.
Or we can do an HID bulb upgrade.
Yeah, because the thing that I noticed in my Jeep is with the stock lights, they're not bright at all.
Yeah,
Like at night, I'm having a hard time seeing the highway.
And Jeep JKs are known for that.
Okay.
So this is a really popular upgrade. This is something new from Brightsource.
Okay.
Basically, it swaps directly with your factory headlight bulbs.
Mm-hmm.
It's plug and play.
Awesome.
You keep your headlight housing, and it's brighter. So first out of the box, we have our Brightsource 9 series LED headlight bulbs. These feature the reversible heatsink. Next out of the box, we have our Brightsource headlight bulb harness. Each kit includes Brightsource anti-rust silicone grease for your connections, and most importantly for this kit includes Brightsource's Made in Canada opti-coupler. The Brightsource opti-coupler for this application completely eliminates any flickering and light out dash warning issues, as well as neutralizing any polarity issues and simplifying the installation. Well, let's get them installed.
That sounds great.
So one of the things we have to do is make sure that it's going to actually fit inside the light spot, because you have that extra cooling system in the back of the LED, and it actually does fit. So we're okay.
That's the ballast for the actual light.
Oh wow, it's got its own
It's
ballast.
got its own ballast, yeah. So you got your anti-flicker module, or whatever they call it, and then you got your actual ballast to power the light.
So one of the things you'll notice on this install is it's all plug and play. It's got its own wiring harness. You just got to feed it through and you just plug everything in. The module here has its own power source, so you have to attach it, or you have to plug it in to the battery to have its own source.
And I'm only going to 3 amp it now. I'm not going to put some in it. So worst case scenario, later on down the road, if you want to extend the wires to move it.
This episode was brought to you by Raven Truck Accessories and by Brightsource.